In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create to-do list in Gemini AI. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to have Gemini create tasks for you using natural language, so you can focus on what matters while your to-do list stays organized in the background. First, open your Gemini account. You can do this in your browser or the app, whatever you normally use. Once you're in, look for the settings option. It's typically found in the side panel or near your profile icon. Settings is where we control how Gemini works with other tools, and that's important for turning to-do requests into actual tasks you can find later. Inside Settings, select Connected Apps. This section shows services that can work alongside Gemini. To let Gemini create tasks for you, find the option for Google Tasks and toggle it on. Turning this on tells Gemini it's allowed to send new tasks to your task list. You might see a quick confirmation message or a brief explanation of what access is being granted. That's normal. Just review it so you understand what's happening. Enabling this connection doesn't share your personal content with others. It simply lets Gemini add tasks on your behalf. With that ready, head back to the main Gemini screen. You'll see the search or prompt bar at the top. This is where the magic happens. Type a clear, natural request that includes what you want to do and when. For example, enter, create a task for tomorrow. 3 p.m. meeting with the client. Notice how that sentence includes the date context, tomorrow, the time. 3 p.m. and the subject, meeting with the client. The more specific you are, the better Gemini can schedule it for you. If your schedule relies on a particular time zone, consider that as you phrase the time so it matches your calendar expectations. After you press enter, wait patiently while Gemini processes the request. You should see a response confirming that the task has been created. Because we enabled the Google Tasks connection, the new task is added to your task list automatically, using the details you provided. If Gemini needs any clarification, it will ask, but most of the time, a clear prompt like the one we used works immediately. That's it. You opened your Gemini account, went into Settings, connected Google Tasks, and then used a simple, natural prompt in the search bar to create a to-do item for tomorrow at 3 p.m. Keep using this approach for other tasks, things like reminders, follow-ups, or prep notes, and let Gemini handle the organization behind the scenes.